This is video of my tree falling. I was outside watching the trees blow in the wind. Took my video on my phone to try to capture some leaves blowing, basically. Branches falling. I never expected what was about to happen. The tree started crackling. I was on one side of the tractor right here, and the tree was coming down. I was moving, pinned up against the garage, backing up, and it fell. The wires flew every direction, all around. There was kids and people standing outside, and as you can see, the debris is flying. I didn't know what to do exactly, so I just stood still because there was downed wire everywhere. So this is what happened. You can see the debris flying still off the tree. It was a pretty scary ordeal, to say the least. Thank God he was with us.